So look everybody, my very first air fryer. Everybody raves about these air fryers, so wanted to give it a go. This one is from the company Ariete. It is a capacity of 6 litres, just the one drawer. It says you only need 1 oil spoon. It has a 60-minute timer and up to 200 degrees. And it says it has a transparent basket so you can see what's cooking and how it's cooking. Oh, and there's a recipe book included.
And how much did that cost?
This was about £72.
That's very reasonable.
Yes. So let's have a look, see. It's all in different languages for all to read. I'm going to need a knife. We're in. It's very well packaged. Ooh. So here's its little instruction booklet. Again, all in different languages. But then it comes with this pull-out bit at the front. It's kind of like a quick start with pictures, and it shows you all how to just set it up quickly. So that's useful. So we'll just put that to one side because we're going to need that. What else have we got? Oh, it looks like this is where you QR code it to get your free recipe book.
Oh.
And I think this must be something that goes inside. I don't know yet. I'll put that with the instructions because I'm sure it'll come about.
And now for the unveiling.
Oh, here she is. What a beaut.
What a beast.
Let's take her over here, where she's going to go.
By the conventional oven.
Yes. So it's got like, looks like it's got all different modes. And looks like it's quite easy to use as well. So we'll take the plastic off the front cover. Ooh. Oh, that's taking the instructions off though. Oh no, it must. All right, okay, it must. Yeah, so that must be what it looks like when you turn it on. They must be what it looks like there. So you've got your modes along the top, your timings, your temperatures. I'll just keep that there in case. And that's your drawer. Now by the looks of these diagrams on here, this slots in. I'm guessing those arrows there need to go level with this, according to those instructions. Okay, so that's that. Then obviously take all your packaging off your plug. Plugged in. No, so when you push this in and it's plugged in, that's when it comes on.
Goodness me.
And then I'm guessing the on button.
Oh.
And there's all your displays. So it's on now. So then this is your mode button. It's very easy with the pictures. So as you click that, it goes through the mode. Each mode flashes. So that's a picture of French fries. So that'd be like French fries and chips. Then you've got potatoes, red meats, fish, chicken.
And it knows the temperatures for the different
pizzas,
things.
yeah, and you can see the temperatures changing. So it's wanting to do pizza for 180 degrees for 12 minutes.
Perfect. And why are we picking pizza?
We are picking pizza because we have got, well, we thought it was a pizza, but it's actually we picked up a focaccia, which is an Italian bread, flatbread. But we're going to make it into a pizza. We've got all extra toppings that we're going to throw on. So we've got mixed cooked meats, black olives, onions, tomatoes, and mozzarella cheese.
That's
We're going to chuck all them in.
Very nice
and then
pizza.
obviously a full-size pizza is not going to fit in that drawer.
Oh no.
So we'll cut it into 4 and position them nicely so that hopefully it'll all cut through. So I'm going to add these toppings now. So we've got a selection of cooked meats. So I'm just going to sprinkle them all over. Do it as evenly as possible. Not missing any. Then the black olives. Chopped onions. Make sure they're all done there. Got a few tomato slices. Tomato slices, and then sliced mozzarella. Position evenly. Then I'm going to give it a sprinkle of oregano, should I say. And then we need to cut it into 4. So we'll cut it into 4 with scissors. Try not to disturb the toppings too much, but we can always reposition. A bit of mozzarella cheese, there we go. 2. Oops. And 4. So I'm now going to position these as best I can in this compartment. So I think I might do it corner to corner, like that way. Like this way. But honestly, if you've cooked pizza in one of these before, feel free to tell me how you do it in the comments below. Because like I say, it's my first time using it, so forever learning. Okay, we'll do corner to corner there. And corner to corner there. You can always rescue any fallen off toppings. Close it, and it had turned itself off, so we turn it on and we go through the modes again till we get to pizza. Now it's not a pizza, it's a flatbread, and in the oven it says it only takes 7 minutes. So I'm going to reduce the timing, the temperature's right, but I'm going to reduce the time to, I'm going to say 5. But I will check it. And then we hit the power button to start it. So we'll come back, we'll see you in 5 minutes.
How's it looking, Jill?
Yeah. Smelling good.
Certainly is.
You can see some of the toppings fizzling, so that's good. I actually did this with no oil, I didn't put any oil in.
Oh. Oh dear.
So we'll see how it is anyway. So. Right, what we're thinking, they look good, right?
Yeah.
yeah, let's give them a try. Might need a spatula to help me scoop them out. Oh, we lost the top in there. I'll salvage the toppings.
Wow.
One focaccia air fried with like extra toppings.
Ah, grazie mille. Wow.
Salute.
Salute to the chef. Right, let's see your first air fried homemade pizza.
It feels quite soft.
Do we have a success?
I think we do.
With that fantastic view, I shall give it a go. Oh yeah. Bellissimo. Well, I say what, Julie, that tasted delicious. I'm looking forward to my second piece. Well, what's your have a little toast to that first bit?
Salute.
Solid. What's your?
So easy to use. You didn't really. I only scanned over the picture instructions, but it was all pretty straightforward with the what was on the actual air fryer. It's great. It took a lot less than it would in the oven, so it's a lot more economic, especially in this day and age with the cost of living crisis.
Very good point.
And it'd be great at reheating as well, which again, you're saving. I think it'd be even better than like a microwave.
Because a microwave tends to make it soggy, doesn't it?
And it makes it soggy, yeah. So if you are doing anything that's crispy, it will hold its crisp when you reheat it rather than it goes soggy like in a microwave. So there's that. Yeah, I've enjoyed it. Yeah, no. Very good.
What about the view?
Oh, well, the view's incredible.
Yeah, the view is world class. Wow. I tell you what, that was delicious. A mighty fine pizza. Yeah, cooked perfectly. I'd say it cooked just as well as it would in a conventional oven, and clearly it cooks a lot faster. I don't think it consumes as much energy either. So it's time and energy saving. So yeah, very good. Salute. Here's two air fryers. And empty plates.